What is your name? What is your name? Ki jan ou rele? My name is Junior. My name is Junior. Mwen rele Junior. Where do you live? Where do you live? Ki kote ou rete? I live in Pétionville. I live in Pétionville. Mwen rete Pétionville. How old are you? How old are you? Ki l'âge ou? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Mwen gen 20 ans. What do you want? What do you want? Ki sa ou vle? I want to go. I want to go. Mwen vle ale. How are you? How are you? Ki jan ou ye? I am fine. I am fine. Mwen bien. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Eske ou pale anglais? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Oui, mwen pale anglais. No, I don't speak English, but I speak French. No, I don't speak English, but I speak French. Non, mwen pa pale anglais, men mwen pale français. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ki kote ou pral la? I am going to church. I am going to church. Mwen prale l'église. What would you like to be? What would you like to be? Ki sa ou ta reme ye? I would like to be a doctor. I would like to be a doctor. Mwen ta reme yon docteur. Do you have sisters and brothers? Do you have sisters and brothers? Eske ou gen sè ak frè? Yes, I have sisters and brothers. Yes, I have sisters and brothers. Oui, mwen gen sè ak frè. How many? How many? Combien? I have 2 sisters and 5 brothers. I have 2 sisters and 5 brothers. Mwen gen 2 sè ak 5 frè.